Wow. So, this is your place?
Pat.
Dude, great place, man.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
You guys, food line right there, tacos and stuff.
I'm just enjoying the show right now, man. I'm just sucking it all in.
I've got both of them going.
How you doing, dude?
Good to see you, good to see you.
Ready?
You heard it coming, I guess.
Hey.
Oh yeah, over the music, huh?
Got your hair cut.
I cut my hair. I'm a human
This is
again.
a great place, man. It's a great party. How long does this go on to? So it's over? What a bitchin' cars here. Where's your Nova?
Right there's my Nova, that's my El Camino.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
And I got the Corvette.
That's nice.
That's a numbers matching air car.
I had a 454 without air.
Yeah.
No, I had air.
That's what's in the black one. That's Pat.
I had air. It had a bench seat in it. Yeah, you got a bench seat too. Mine was canary yellow, black stripes, black top. Those, I love those.
Oh, I love that car, yeah.
Well, the old steamroller's kicking up some dust, huh? Oh, look at that Camaro. Shit.
Big block.
Man. Wow. Nice.
How come Lex ain't here yet?
He's here. He came with me.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Oh, a 4-speed.
Afternoon, we have Slingshot, classic rock.
Oh, well.
You got requests, let us know, man.
I'd like to introduce the newest
That
member
brownie
of the
couldn't have been
band
that
right
good.
here.
Well, no. Wow.
Like my side
This is
man right here.
no
It's on
kidding.
your side.
He's got my side, not my back.
No kidding.
There's free food and sodas.
That's a great,
beer.
man. Yeah, we brought a bunch of beer. Here he
Big
is.
Milner.
Hey.
What's up, Big Lex?
You know what's going on, man?
How you doing?
Good. Hey, pop the trucks. We get the beer
It
going.
is a pop.
Oh, is it? Okay.
I didn't put it down so it gets like it's hot.
Yeah.
Drunk in Redwood.
We were drunk in Whitewood? How you doing? You know what? If we were drunk, hell no. Wait a second.
The car show.
Okay, what car is yours?
Well, I got another one now. I had a coupe, 30
Yeah.
coupe, but that's up 31 Vicky now.
Okay, let's see if she... Jane, remember this guy from Wrightwood?
He might.
Let's see. Did we do bar hopping or what were we doing?
Well, we didn't hop nowhere.
You know, that's a great little show. I like that
We
one.
stayed right there in that bar.
Yeah? Yeah, we rented it. We spent the night there, so it was
Yeah.
like...
Yeah.
I like that show. When is it? Coming up, is it? I think September.
Yeah, I think so.
That's cool. Hey, what do you got there?
Beer?
What is that, a stock 327? Kind of beer, a flathead.
No.
No.
Thank you.
Beautiful
Thank
car.
you.
Is that yours?
Yeah. I had it since the 70s.
Yeah. Couldn't put a hood on it, huh?
It popped off for some reason.
Yeah.
I didn't want to put a hole. I didn't have the heart to put a hole in it.
Yeah.
So it's too nice.
You had that blower? How long you had that blower on there? Long? You had it on there
3
now?
years.
Get a fiberglass one and just cut it up.
I know. I tried one and it didn't fit right.
Oh, is that right?
It's great. Jeannie, remember this guy from Wrightwood?
The bar?
At a bar?
Which bar?
I know, you hit all of them.
You don't remember.
Man, this is a perfect place. This is a perfect spot.
Yep.
It's just great. Too warm? Come here?